Today is day 5. We're on our way to Mariental. See you that side.
Ek dink hierdie is baie cool. Dit is die eerste keer wat ek 'n solar car sien en ek wens Namibia het meer van dit gehad sodat ons meer ervaring van sulke goed kan kry en ja, dit is baie cool.
Okay, so today is day 5 of the Namibian solar trip for the TUT SunChaser 4 team, and it's the 28th of January. We've driven from Keetmanshoop to Mariental today. About 240 kilometers. We had a nice pace going on. We did stop a few times to adjust on the cruise control. We are still fine-tuning the cruise control of the vehicle. It's working very well, but we are still optimizing it. We've also been logging some data and been making some other fine adjustments. We've also got 2 schools here looking at the vehicle in Mariental from the Stamprit and the Mariental areas, and we are glad to have them here because that's exposure to the community, and we want to show them what we can do. Tomorrow we're traveling to Windhoek and we are really excited. It's about 270 kilometers if I have it correct, and there's also a school that we're going to be seeing. It's St. Paul's College, and we're equally excited to go and visit them tomorrow.